What's up, Tech Nation? Today we're talking about one of my favorite new toys. It's called Linktree. I have it all over my social media, I have it all over. Imagine a place people can go to get to any of your stuff digitally. Okay. I can send you to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, literally anywhere you want people to go. It's like a digital business card. So let me show you up close what it looks like. And it's called Linktree. I give the credit to Jack Jr. because I literally hadn't heard of it until he used it. Then I saw his and I went, I really need this because I'm an influencer and a social media guy. So let's take a look. I got a shortcut here to my Linktree. Boom. This is what Linktree looks like. What is great about Linktree? It's like your digital business card. It has links to all your social media, all your channels. If you're an influencer, if you're just a marketing guru, to everything you do. There it is. There's my slogan. There's my username. You got your YouTube channels there. Shopping with me. My store is there. If you need barbecue sauce or any of my merchandise. And here's all my social media sites right there. And then down below, you have links to social media also. My LinkedIn, Instagram, Cooking with Jack. Everything's all in one spot. It's literally a place for all your links. I highly recommend it for people. Let me show you around how to get it set up. All right, so as you can see on the one, welcome to Clubhouse. They're doing a bunch of stuff with Clubhouse. I'm not a fan of Clubhouse. I looked at it, didn't impress me. I just want to talk to people. I'll go Zoom. I'll go YouTube Live. I'll go Facebook Live. Yeah, Clubhouse is just, let's get rid of all these pop-ups. All right, can we talk now? Good. All right, so here's where you build all your links, okay? So my link tree looks like that, all that on the right. And this is what it looks like. It tells where everything is and where it takes you. And you can do subcategories and all that good stuff. Okay, let me go down this really quick. So if you see, these are all your links. On the left side, see this thing I'm scrolling? Those are all my links. And I've categorized them, Shopping with Jack and social media. You can put little titles, okay? Now, by the way, all the things I'm about ready to show you, you can do it for free to get used to it. That's what I did. Use it free for a few weeks. And then there's a $6 a month version and just mark it up to the cost of doing business. Okay. So get your links. Let's go appearance. Okay. I want to show you what they offer. I got the pro account. Okay. So I'm going to show you what the pro account looks like. You can look for the free account if you want and take a look around. You put your slogan right here, put your image right here where my fist is punching out. You pick an image. You can do any image you want. Okay. These are the backgrounds that you can choose from. I choose a black background with yellow highlights. You can even customize and create your own background and upload your own background, your own picture. You can have a starry night. You can have white. These are all different colors you can pick from. All of these are for you to pick. I went with I think the black one. Where was it? I think it was this one right here. Smoke or whatever. Is there any of the all black? Yeah. I think I did this one, the black background. So let's go to, here it is. These are the backgrounds. I chose this one right here. Okay, you can have designs that move. See how the dots go up and down. I did a stake background, customized my own image. You can have stripes that move. You can have waves that go up and down. You can have waves go side to side. You can choose whatever you want for a background. Then your buttons, you get to pick from these buttons. See these shadowed buttons and different shaped buttons. Choose whatever you want. You can choose the colors of the buttons, the shadow color, the button color, whatever you want. Remember the shadow color right here, the shadow of your button is going to be the writing also. Then you get to pick from fonts. Once again, it's a $6 pro account, okay? I highly recommend it if you have lots of social media, you're an influencer or something like that. Hide the Linktree logo. I don't like the Linktree logo, so I hid it. And I think that's it. You get plenty of announcements. They keep adding stuff. Like you can watch my latest YouTube video from this first button right there. So everything's really good. It's inexpensive, $6, like a cup of coffee. Now, I want to show you one more thing. If you look right here, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, let me see if I can move me. All right, right here, there's a share button on the upper right corner. It says share, and that's your Linktree link right there. And then if you hit the share button, you can copy your Linktree URL or download my Linktree QR code. And now what I did was, let me stop sharing my screen. Hold on. Okay, so what I did was I put the QR code on everything. I put it at the top of my Facebook page. I put it at the top of my YouTube page. I put it at the top of my everywhere you're linking people, put the QR code. And I watched my numbers climb very fast. People click, they can hold their camera up to the QR code and go directly to your link tree. So I'm finding I'm getting more Instagram followers, more YouTube subscribers, more friends on Facebook. It's helping a lot. People can get to the sauce through my link tree. They want to shop the sauce. It's amazing. So I call it the digital business card. I keep telling you that, but it's something that I've always needed, and somebody finally came up with it. It's a great idea. So go check it out. I'm not being paid by them. I'm just telling you because it's something I just recently discovered, and I think it's hot. So I just wanted you to know. All right. So anyway, you guys be safe. If you know of anything new you want to share with me, write me privately through social media and I'll check it out. All right. Maybe we'll do a video on some other websites. That's what we do here at Tech Time. We show you technology stuff. We show you websites. We show you apps, wherever there's something fun. All right. Have fun with Linktree and share it with me. Let me know. Send me a message with your QR code or something and I'll check it out. All right. You guys take care. I love you. Bye-bye.